again. Ngayon, gagawa na naman ako ng another transformation. Right now is I am wearing denim jeans. Ayan. Old denim jeans. And I will make it skirt. And if you want to know how I'm going to do it, please keep watching. First procedure is you have to know your size. So I have already mine. I measure over here and I'm going to cut them. This is the length I want to cut. And then I'm going to cut here, over here, to open the legs. And to cover the hole here, I'm gonna use this piece of fabric from the pants and cover like that. The front side is done, and at the back is the same thing. I'm gonna use this fabric also to cover up the hole. It is now cover the open legs. Now I will add style. So what I'm going to do is I will distress this side to make an style. Cardboard, ruler, and cutter, and also tweezer. The cardboard is you have to put it inside to prevent cut the second layer. And right now is I have already the line that I want, and then I'm going to cut it. I now created the hole, so the next I'm going to do is using the tweezer, I'm going to pull out the thread like that. It is all done. This is how it looked like now. And then the distress, I made them wider. And in the bottom, I also trim in the bottom. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below. And this is Charo, and I will see you on my next video. See you. Bye.